Good afternoon, Aileen, Sheron, live for 5. It's a Cardio Wednesday. I'm going to take you through a whole bunch of squats, lunges, and sumos that I do to keep your heart rate up when you're training. Now, you can do these with weights in your hands, but I'm going to do it with nothing in my hands since it's Cardio Wednesday today. So I'm going to start off with something I called 90-90s. You do a lateral lunge, 90-degree angle in the leg to 90 degrees on the knees. I don't believe on doing squats below knee level. I think it just puts too much stress on a female Q, and also it increases the risk of injuries to the labrum. So 90-90s, tap, crossover. I'm going to show you a couple different arms. The key to keeping it cardio is increasing the speed as long as your form is really perfect. So this is the first one. I'm going to take you through about 10 of these today, and I use all of these and many, many more in my classes. So that's 90-90, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree on the side. The next one's going to be lateral 3. So you start off doing small, medium, and large positions. So a lateral side, add some fun arms, and then make sure you're hitting 3 distinct positions that keep going longer. And again, I still don't take my hips below that knee. And if you don't have flexibility, this is great for adductors, all the way down. And again, you can be very creative with your arms. Even if it's 2 inches more, you're going to feel the difference because you have to pull yourself up. So small, medium, and large, 3 points. I'm going to take you through some squats. And remember, those laterals you can do on a different diagonal as well. Squat knee raises. Super common squats. Notice I've got all my weight back. Sit on that toilet seat. Lift. I make fun with my students all the time, but I think we should be able to get off that toilet seat when you're 110. So down and up. Any combination, 3 and 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat. Any form of knee. Cross knees. Again, the quicker the pace. Hi there, good afternoon. I see your little like, but I don't see who it is. Anything cross, open, back, all of those will add a dynamic that's going to get the heart rate up. So squat and anything. Whoops, I'm losing my belt. From there, I call these my granny squats. It's not making fun of granny, but I kind of feel like if you're pressed in and sitting through the hips, it's a double bounce and then a big lift. Now you can keep your hands on your hips. All my weight is in my glutes. Sitting back in the tushy. Hi there, guys. I'm kind of cranking through. You can hear that my heart rate is up for sure, because if you're doing these quickly, you're going to get that heart rate and that cardio that you need. One more. So that's a 3 and 1. You can do 2 and 2. You can do repeaters in between, but I'm showing you the basics. Rear lunges. Watch my legs. Any type of rear, knee directly over the ankle, 90 degrees. My butt isn't falling below the knee. Knee lifts, tap outs. You can do an outside reach, an inside reach, and I call this my triple tap. In, out, in, cross. Any arms to keep your heart rate up. Remember, light weights do great to keep that heart rate up. And then take out the middle tap and just crisscross. You don't have to go low, and man, you will feel it in the quads and you'll get your heart rate up. Okay, breathe, Aileen, breathe. Rear lunges to the back and then to the front. Making sure, again, knee over ankle. Use your glutes to elevate your body. Oh my God, we're almost very quick. You can do straight back and straight front. You can also do the diagonal that we talked about. Switch it if you want in between. But back, make sure you're using your glutes and your front heel to lift to a forward lunge. Glutes again to lift and reach. Never putting a strain in the knee. Sumo position. I love this one. You can plyometric, add a bounce. I call these spread them, bring them together, wide together sumos. Any arms will do. I like keeping my hands on my thighs because I'm marking my set point. but you can do anything you want. You can plyometric those as well. Nice job. Sumo to a turn, to a step, to a rotate, to a step. So traveling sumos with lunges. I'll try that again. Push, then turn, then step, then 180, big step, and press. That can be done with held weights as well. So that's a fantastic one. Oh my goodness, I'm breathing so hard. Sumo plyometrics, so center jack, tap, corner, corner, and lift. Sumo, corner, corner, and lift. So anything that I'm doing today, if you add some kind of plyometric, you're gonna get your heart rate up. Hi guys, woo, push, reach, reach, push. Oh, I love the hearts. I hope that's not all one person. You're gonna hurt your finger. Cardio, cardio. And then the last one, great one to do because it preps you just like sitting on that toilet seat, our toe touches. I call these my shoelace taps, and you wanna do them fast. Sit back. You can do one arm, all the way up. Really important to learn how to use these drivers, not your knees. Squeeze your butt. Do your kegels. If you don't know what the word is, don't do it. Come on down and lift. This is my final 10 seconds. I'm already at 6 minutes. God, it just goes by so fast when you're having fun. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay tuned to my page because I'm going to post some video of the fires that I can see from my house. And I will see you on Friday for Flexibility Friday.